Today I'm going to install one of these magnetic inline transmission filters. The reason I'm installing the filter is because this is one of the transmissions that's lifetime maintenance free, so to speak. It doesn't have a dipstick, so you can't check the fluid condition easily. And changing the fluid is not the easiest thing either. So I figured putting an inline filter on with a active magnet instead of just the passive one on the plug, it might help keep the fluid a little cleaner for a little longer. On the Hyundai, the bottom line's a return, and it's probably the same on other vehicles as well, being that heat rises. It just seems logically that would be it, but you probably want to check that out for sure. But here it looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. I'm going to be able to do it without kinking the line, looks like, so we'll see how it goes. It was pretty simple to get in on this car. It was a little tight on the hose, but I was able to get it in there without putting any kinks in it, so that's good. They say that you should replace them every 10,000 miles, which honestly to me that seems like a little bit on the premature side, but when I get around about that, maybe a little more, I'll tear it apart and see how much crud it caught. I honestly think I could probably go a lot longer than 10,000, but I'll do what they say and see how it turns out. Hopefully it will catch some of the crud that's in the fluid